Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques from KK Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about the topic powders from pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered from this presentation powders are as follows: definition of powder, advantages of powders, disadvantages of powders, type of powders, preparation of powders, mixing of powders, and packing of powders. The definition of powders is as follows: a pharmaceutical powder is a mixture of finely divided drugs or chemicals in a dry form meant for internal or external use. A powder is a dry bulk solid composed of a large number of very fine particles that may flow freely when shaken or tilted. The advantages of powders. First advantage is the powders are more stable than the liquid dosage form. Second, the chance of incompatibility are less as compared to liquid dosage form. Third, the onset of action of powder drug is rapid as compared to other solid dosage form, for an example tablet, capsules. Due to the smaller particle size of a powder, it gets dissolved easily in body fluids. Fourth, larger quantity of powder drugs can be administered to the patient orally by dissolving or mixing the powder in the suitable liquid. Fifth, small children or elderly patient can easily take the powdered drug as such are dispersed in water or any other liquid. Sixth, powders are more economical as compared with other dosage form because not required any special machinery or technique. 7. Powders are more easy to carry than the liquid dosage form. The disadvantages of powders are as follows. First, drugs having bitter, nauseous and unpleasant taste, it cannot be dispensed in a powder form. Second, deliquescent and hygroscopic drugs cannot be dispensed in powder form. Third, drugs which get affected by atmospheric conditions are not suitable for dispensing in powder forms. And fourth one, last, the dispensing of powder is a time consuming. Classification of powders. There are total 5 types of powders. Bulk powder for internal use. Second, bulk powder for external use. Third, simple and compound powder for internal use. Fourth, powders enclosed in cachets and capsules. Fifth, compressed powders that are compressed tablets, tablet triturates. Preparation of powders. It involves total 5 steps which are as follows. First one, reduction of particle size of all ingredients to the same range to prevent the stratification. Second step, that is sieving. Third step, weighing of each ingredient. Fourth step, mixing. And last, fifth one, that is packaging. Mixing of powders. It involves spatulation, trituration, geometric dilution, sifting and tumbling. Packing of powder, double wrapping. In that, wrap the powders by using 2 different types of paper. Outer paper is a plain paper while inner wrapping is of gelatin paper. Next, the learning outcomes from the chapter powders are: What is powder? Advantages of powder, disadvantages of powders, types of powders, preparation of powders, mixing of powders, and last, packing of powders. Thank you.